assortment of gorgeous leaves paired with celery, green onions, apples, walnuts, chives, white cheddar, tops, and our simplest dressing ever. Here's what happens when healthy meets fresh and tasty. You're gonna love our healthy endive salad. What's not to love about a flavor-forward salad that is jammed with healthy ingredients plus fresh fruit and nuts? It is so delicious, I could eat it every day, and sometimes I actually do. Enough with the chit-chat, let's show you how to make it. Belgian endive, 4 or 5 slender heads. We're gonna cut away the very end and then cut them down the middle. You can chop the endive into 1/2-inch chunks. Very nice. Radicchio, love the color. A member of the chicory family. We're going to core out the bottom of the head and then just chop it up. We love these colorful, bite-sized pieces. Beauty. Celery. We're gonna need 3 ribs for the recipe. Cut them into 1/2-inch bits. Great color combo. 3 green onions. We're gonna trim away the ends, then cut them down the middle. We're gonna dice them. Talk about a hit of fresh for the salad. Let's do 1 apple. The bigger and sweeter, the better. Today we're using an Ontario Honeycrisp apple. We're gonna dice it up, no need to peel. Gives this salad something sweet. Walnuts, 1 cup. Give them a chop, not too fine. Love those nutty notes. Fresh chives, about 1/4 cup. We're gonna chop them up, nice and herby. White cheddar, the tiniest little bit, maybe about 1 ounce. Let me show you how small we're gonna dice it, nice and cheesy. And now the dressing's so simple you don't even need to write it down. 1/2 cup of walnut oil, 3 tablespoons of seasoned rice wine vinegar, the juice from 1/2 lemon, that's about 2 tablespoons worth. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna whisk the dressing together, drizzle it over the salad. We are ready to toss. Now, as good and fresh and healthy as all that looks, just wait until you try it. Even though it's dressed, the salad holds really well for the next day if you're lucky enough to have leftovers. Feeling lucky? Good news, full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a salad is this sensational, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Healthy endive salad. You'll know after the very first bite. Enjoy. Such great flavors. This, yeah.